Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best affordable drawing tablets with screens in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is XP PEen Artist 15.6 Pro. One of the highlights of the XP PEen Artist drawing tablet is the red dial design that can triple the digital imagination. The display is fitted with a 1920 by 1080p Full HD screen that gives you maximum visibility. It also comes with a completely laminated technology that effortlessly connects both glass and screen. This tablet also has an improvement compared to its previous version, as it features 8 completely customizable shortcut keys that you can personalize to your preferences. You can operate smoothly without any complications since there's a 60-degree tilt in it. The stylus comes with a pressure sensitivity of up to 8,192 levels for maximum performance and also has a battery-free charge so that it does not have to be charged. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wacom Cintiq 16 drawing tablet. It's all from the same company as the previous Wacom product, but it's a different model. This model is fitted with an innovative pen display with an optimized style that works best especially for beginners. Some of these features include a vivid and stunning full-screen HD screen with an ergonomic design that features an ultra-responsive Pro Pen 2 that brings out your innovative ideas and renderings. It also comes with special software called Clip Studio Paint that makes a smooth transition from paper to tablet. This device comes in 2 screen sizes, 15.6 and 21.5 inches, which are fitted with anti-glare display technology. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 will flow with you with its electromagnetic resonance technology before you finish. Number 3. Our third best pick is GAOMON PD1560. This tablet is state-of-the-art and a forerunner in the tablet technology industry, as it features a 15.6-inch Full HD display. It comes with not 1 or 2 but 10 customizable left-hand keys that can be tailored to your ingenious working style and can be personally tailored to suit your needs. This will save you a lot of time. The stylus comes with advanced pressure levels up to 8,192 and a resolution of 5080 LPI, which increases the efficiency of your work. It also has a more secure grip and a customizable double button on its side that is used to switch between eraser and brush controls that pave the way for extra artistic creativity, and also has a pressure sensitivity score of 233 pps that makes the lines appear smoother and more accurate. This tablet is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet. Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet is one of the most famous choices in the digital drawing industry. This is a must-have tool if you want to boost your productivity and innovative skills and look for opportunities to explore. It comes with a 13.3 screen that is smooth paper-like texture and also boasts superior and innovative software that is compatible with some Android devices as well as leading pen brands. This tablet is fitted with a 1920x1080 high-resolution screen for full visibility. It also comes with a pressure-sensitive, cordless, and battery-free pen to save you from the trouble of charging it. The built-in tilting recognition technology helps enable natural tilting. This tablet is very compact and helps you to operate easily on the go as it only weighs about 2 pounds. This tablet is compatible with your day-to-day operating systems, such as Mac and Windows, Android tablets, and smartphones. Being affordable and well-priced, it is our top recommended pick and one of the best drawing tablets with screen, especially for beginners. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Huion KAMVAS Pro 12 Drawing Tablet with Screen Graphics Drawing Monitor. This device gives you high output and boasts a beautiful design that offers you the most rewarding drawing interface for all of its users. This device is versatile and lightweight with a thickness of 11 meters and about 1.5 pounds. Another highlight of this tablet is that it offers you a terrific output as it is equipped with a magic screen to add clarity and exuberance to every detail. It is equipped with a completely laminated AG glass IPS screen which gives you an ideal viewing angle of 178 degrees. With 16.7 million colors and 120% sRGB large spectra that breathes life to every development on the full HD screen. The stylus is designed to reduce the fatigue of the grip, resulting in 8,192 levels of screen pressure. The battery-free stylus supports a resolution of 5080 LPI resolution, and tilting of 60 degrees makes every stroke of yours as precise as possible. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.